Good noon to everyone. Today discuss about in the petroleum refinery and petrochemicals. Okay, and the topic છે gasoline. Gasoline types we will discuss કરીશું આપણે. This is the most important point in GTU exam. Okay, and this is the types. Six types. This is a reformat gasoline, coker gasoline, alkylated gasoline, polymer gasoline, crack gasoline and hydrocrack gasoline. અને એની સમ ટેસ્ટ છે તે ડિસ્કસ કરીશું આપણે ડિટેલમાં. ઓકે, નાઉ સ્ટાર્ટ ધ ફર્સ્ટ પોઈન્ટ ઇન અ gasoline. સિમ્પલ ડિસ્કશન પાર્ટ એન્ડ ધેર સમ ડિફરન્ટ ટાઈપ્સ. અને આપણે પ્રીવિયસ લેક્ચરમાં જે જોઈ ગયા હતા એ બી રિવિઝન કરીશું આપણે. ટાઈપ્સ ઓફ ગેસીસ એન્ડ ધેર કમ્પોઝિશન્સ પાર્ટ. ઓકે, સિમ્પલ gasoline. The gasoline and naphtha is a petroleum product is known as in India is the next fraction to follow gas. This is a volatile fraction and is known as a motor spirit. Simple point. Okay, naphtha અને gasoline જે પેટ્રોલ અને ડીઝલ્સ naphtha અને gasoline છે is a one type of these fractions. ને petrol as a known as India. Okay, simply fractions to follow gas. This is a volatile fractions and is known as the motor spirit. The boiling point range from 37 degrees Celsius to 180 degrees Celsius. Simple gasoline is a finished product and while raw material is a fractions and is termed as naphtha or light boiling fractions. There are different types of gasoline product and by the refineries oil. ઓકે, તો સિમ્પલ આપણે ડિસ્કસ કરીશું. આ મોસ્ટ ઇમ્પોર્ટન્ટ પોઈન્ટ છે, તમે ડિસ્કસ કરી લો એકવાર. નાઉ તો ડિસ્કશન પાર્ટ ફોર ગેસોલિન. જે નેફ્થા અને ગેસોલિન છે તો પેટ્રોલ એઝ ઇન ઇન્ડિયા. In the next fraction to follow gas is a volatile fraction and is known as the motor spirit. The boiling point range છે એની છે કેટલી છે 37 થી 180 ડિગ્રી સેલ્સિયસ છે. ગરમ ઓકે, ઇઝ અ વોલેટાઇલ ફ્રેક્શન્સની જે રેન્જ છે 37 થી 180 ડિગ્રી સેલ્સિયસ. અને gasoline is a finished product while raw material is in term as the naphtha or light night. Simple, the range from 37 to 180 degrees Celsius. The gasoline is a finished product while raw fractions is termed as naphtha or light or finished product. While raw fractions is termed as naphtha or a light finished product. While the raw fractions system is a naphtha and the light boiling fractions છે. There are different types of the gasoline and are produced by the refinery, approximately 40 types, and almost 90% of the finished product. Okay, of the finished product. Continue section part. Excessively the consumed by automobile industry and the rest by the aviation industries. and the rest by the aviation industry. Most refinery produce two primary grades, regular and a premium, जे both either leaded or unlead. The product is so important that the integration of the refinery has become a reality to produce as much as 60 to 70% of gasoline from crude, and especially in a country like USA. Again repeated, exclusively consumed by automobile industry and rest by the aviation industries. And most of refinery produce થાય the two primary grades, regular and a premium, both either leaded or unleaded. The product is so important that the integration of refineries has become a reality to produce as much as 60 to 70 percentage of gasoline from crude, and especially in countries like USA. The gasoline are never analyzed for individual component, yet about 150 compound were isolated just for academic interest માટે જુઓ. ઓકે, આ પોઈન્ટ ઇમ્પોર્ટન્ટ છે. અબવ વન ધીસ પોઈન્ટ લખી લેજો એકવાર. And simple formation for gasoline are never analyzed for an individual component માટે છે. And about the 1500 compound were isolated just for academic interest. And a light strength run gasoline LSR and consists of C5 to 90 degrees Celsius fraction. This is the fraction which cannot be reformed for improvement in a octane number. This cut as such contributes good octane number with a high susceptibility to lead, and bears light and distillation part characteristics of gasoline. The LSR is also known by the name virgin gasoline and does not have the desired qualities of properties suitable for use in automobile industries also. And hence the run gasoline are blended with the proceed gasoline obtained by various method. These are the જોઈશું આપણે અલગ અલગ મેથડ કઈ કઈ છે તે. Okay, this is the different types of gasoline. Okay. The straight run gasoline are blended with the processed gasoline obtained by various methods. These are reformed gasoline, coker gasoline, alkylated gasoline, polymer gasoline, cracked gasoline, and hydrocracked gasoline. Note down one time. Now the taste for different gasoline જે આપણે ડિટેલમાં ડિસ્કસ કરવાના છે. Taste for gasoline. The important tastes respected to gasoline are ASTM distillation यानी कि अमेरिकन सोसाइटी डिस्टिलेशन, अमेरिकन सोसाइटी टेस्टिंग मटेरियल, रेड वेपर प्रेशर, ऑक्टेन नंबर, गम कंटेंट, सल्फर कंटेंट एक्सेट्रा. इज ऑल इम्पोर्टन्स અને સિમ્પલમાં યાદ રાખવો હોય તો AROGS સિમ્પલ ફોર્મેટ ધીઝ વન. ઓકે, તો રિવિઝન પાર્ટ જોઈશું આપણે ગેસોલિનનો. ધીઝ વન. નેપ્થા ઓર ગેસોલિન પેટ્રોલ એઝ ઇન ઇન્ડિયા માટે છે. The next fraction to follow is a gas. Okay, this is the volatile fraction and is known as the Motor spirit. The boiling point range from 37 degrees Celsius to 180 degrees Celsius. The gasoline is a finished product, while the raw fraction is termed as naphtha or light boiling fractions. There are different types of gasoline produced by the refineries, approximately 40 types. Almost 90% of the free product is exclusively consumed by automobile industries. Okay, consumed by the automobile industry and the rest by aviation industries. જે most of refineries છે જે produce to primary grades, regular and premium, both either leaded or unleaded. The product is so important that the integration of refineries has become a reality to produce as much as 60 to 70 percentage of gasoline from crude, and especially in countries like USA. Okay, this is a read this point important. અને મોસ્ટ ઓફલી ની ટાઈપ્સ ઓફ ગેસોલિન જે આપણે તમારે નોટ ડાઉન કરવાના છે. Now the gasoline are never analyzed for this basis. Simply types in a reformat gasoline and coker gasoline, alkylated gasoline, polymer gasoline and crack gasoline, hydrocrack gasoline. So thank you so much.